In Mongolia, tradition and nature meet in powerful ways. Today, let's explore two iconic items, real wolf skin and the deel, a traditional Mongolian garment. This is real wolf skin, often used for ceremonial purposes. While controversial, it's a symbol of strength and survival in Mongolian culture. On the other hand, the deel is a timeless symbol of Mongolian heritage worn by people for centuries. It's made from beautiful fabrics and adorned with unique embroidery. While the wolf skin represents the wild spirit of the Mongolian landscape, the deel connects wearers to centuries of tradition and cultural pride. Both are unique, but each tells a different story of Mongolia's rich culture and history.